Today let's unbox the Autel MaxiFlash Ultra Lite Intelligent Diagnostic Scanner and see what is in the box. Next, we first turn on the tablet, long press the power button for 3s to turn on. After booting into the interface, the first step is to connect to Wi-Fi. Then we start to register, enter the email address and set the password. Click to send the verification code to the registered email address. Enter the verification code and log in after the registration is successful and get a prompt to automatically bind the serial number of the device. Click bind and then the registration is complete. Next, let's upgrade the software and upgrade all the things needs to be updated. One end of main cable V2.0 is connected to MaxiFlash VCI, and the other end is connected to the ECU. USB 2.0 is used to connect the VCI and the tablet. After the connection is completed, we click Diagnosis and select the model. In addition to this demo, the device also supports ECU programming. Finally, let's briefly show the software functions on the interface. Special functions. Data management. Battery test. Settings. VCI management. Maxi Tools. Update interface. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.